Once upon a time, turkey frying was dangerous business, causing hundreds of deck, garage, and home fires each year, not to mention ruined turkeys. That all changed 18 years ago when we unveiled the turkey derrick, the only surefire way for home cooks to safely fry a turkey. I thought I'd done the world a favor, but instead of cheers, I got jeers, crazy, angry emails and DMs accusing me of ruining Thanksgiving. Turns out certain thrill seekers out there were counting on the adrenaline and cortisol produced by the fight or flight response created by pre-derrick turkey frying to balance their intake of fatty side dishes, alcohol, and exposure to extended family. According to them, I killed the joy. And so, to these malcontents, I dedicate this short series of videos that I call Hazardous Turkey Cookery for Thrill Seekers and Adrenaline Junkies, aka Danger Birds, Part 1. If it's danger you seek, look no further than printer, statesman, and father of electricity, Benjamin Franklin, who, back in the 1780s, suggested electrocuting a turkey and cooking it via electrical current, a la Mary Shelley. Those of us lucky enough to have survived childhood in the late 60s and early 70s no doubt remember this device. I won't mention the brand name, but let's just say that passing 120 volts of household current directly through hot dogs impaled on little spikes is an effective, if not slightly hazardous way of cooking. Applying the same methodology to a whole turkey? Well, that was interesting. We began by brining the turkey to increase its salinity and thus conductivity. We then suspended the poultry, connecting electrodes at points coinciding with the directional flow of the larger muscle groups. Once isolated, we applied current, slowly increasing to a total of, well, it was a lot. The aroma of bird char filled the lab. Then, suddenly, without warning, in a flash, the turkey was missing. Soon word got to us that the headless turkey, apparently and fantastically reanimated, had broken free its bonds and within the hour lumbered into the nearby village, wreaking havoc. The locals dispatched the beast and consumed it. The results were reportedly juicy, though some complained of a lingering tingling on the tongue. Now, seeing as how you might have to chase your reanimated turkey through town, pay for all the damage, not to mention the very real possibility of your own death, I highly advise you skip this electrocution business and just get yourself a ladder. Go to the hardware store, get a few odds and ends, and fry that turkey. Here's where you go for the instructions. Okay, good talk. See you next time for more hazardous turkey cookery for thrill seekers and adrenaline junkies.